Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make interactive prototypes in Figma. First, open your Figma file and select the frames you wish to connect. Navigate to the Prototype tab in the right sidebar. Here, you will see options to add interactions. Drag a connection arrow from an element to its destination frame. Choose your desired animation and easing for a smooth transition. This initial setup is crucial for bringing your designs to life. Once your connection is established, select the blue arrow to customize its interaction. The Interaction Details panel will appear, allowing you to define the trigger event. Common events include on-click for button presses or while hovering for showing tooltips. Next, specify the action, such as navigate to a new frame or open overlay for a pop-up. You can also set delays in milliseconds for timed interactions. To make your prototype feel polished, choose an animation type. Instant provides a quick jump, Dissolve offers a fade, and Smart Animate creates fluid transitions between similar layers. Experiment with different easing curves, like ease in or ease out, to control the acceleration and deceleration of your animations, making them feel more natural. You can also set a specific duration in milliseconds for each animation. After setting up your interactions, it's time to test. Click the Present button, which looks like a play icon, in the top right corner of your Figma interface. This opens your prototype in presentation mode, allowing you to interact with it just like a real application. Thoroughly test all your connections and animations to ensure everything functions as intended. Remember to check the description below for a link to grab your own little tree's black ice and discover other fantastic deals. You can also share a link to your prototype for feedback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.